A solar eclipse is a breathtaking astronomical event where the moon passes between the sun and Earth, temporarily blocking the sun's light and casting a shadow on parts of the Earth's surface. This phenomenon occurs when the alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth is such that the moon obscures the sun either partially or completely from view. Solar eclipses are awe-inspiring events that have fascinated humans for centuries, inspiring both wonder and scientific inquiry. The mechanics behind a solar eclipse are relatively simple yet captivating. The sun, a massive bowl of hot gases at the center of our solar system, emits light and heat energy in all directions. The Earth orbits the sun, while the moon orbits the Earth. During a solar eclipse, the moon's orbit brings it directly between the Earth and the sun, casting its shadow on the Earth's surface. There are three primary types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, obscuring its light and creating a temporary twilight-like darkness on Earth. During a total eclipse, the sun's corona, the outer atmosphere, becomes visible as a glowing halo around the darkened disk of the moon. Total solar eclipses are rare and occur only when the apparent size of the moon is large enough to completely block the sun. A partial solar eclipse happens when only a portion of the sun is obscured by the moon, resulting in a crescent-shaped shadow on the Earth's surface. This occurs when the alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth is not perfect, causing the moon to cover only a fraction of the sun's disk. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is at its farthest point from Earth in its elliptical orbit, causing it to appear slightly smaller in the sky. As a result, during an annular eclipse, the moon does not completely cover the sun, leaving a ring of sunlight visible around the edges of the moon's disk. The occurrence of solar eclipses is not random but follows a predictable pattern governed by celestial mechanics. Eclipses generally occur in cycles known as Saros cycles, which last about 18 years and 11 days. During a Saros cycle, a series of eclipses occur at regular intervals, with each eclipse in the series bearing a resemblance to the previous one but shifting slightly in location and timing. Despite the predictability of solar eclipses, witnessing one in person is a rare and unforgettable experience. Total solar eclipses, in particular, draw crowds of astronomers, photographers, and curious spectators to the path of totality, the narrow strip of land where the full eclipse is visible. The atmosphere during a total solar eclipse is filled with anticipation and excitement as the sky darkens, birds cease their chirping, and the temperature drops noticeably. The cultural significance of solar eclipses varies across different societies and civilizations throughout history. In many ancient cultures, solar eclipses were seen as omens or portent.